The gentle hum of the Shire Garden. That's not just noise, my friends, that's life itself at work. From dawn till dusk, a fellowship of wings labours to keep our gardens in bloom and our plates full. I'm Gazza the Green, and today we're exploring the most magical workers of them all, the bees and the pollinators of the Shire.
With all their flutter and buzz, bees may seem small, but without them, our gardens, food forests, and food systems would all wither faster than an ant without water. So grab your hive tool and your honey spoon, and let's wander into the world of the pollinators.
In every thriving garden there's a hidden fellowship at work. Honeybees, native bees, butterflies, beetles, hoverflies, birds, and even the occasional wasp, all busy keeping life humming along. These unsung heroes are the bridge between flowers and fruit, ensuring our gardens, forests, and food crops can flourish. While honeybees are famous, our Australian native bees are especially vital here. Stingless native bees, blue-banded bees, and many solitary species are superb pollinators for native plants and many food crops. They often work at different times and in different weather to complement the honeybee's efforts. Did you know that in the subtropics more than 80% of native plants rely on animal pollination? That's nature's partnership in action, the ultimate cooperative guild. And hoverflies, often mistaken for bees, are powerful allies too. Their larvae feed on the aphids, while the adults pollinate just as effectively as their striped cousins. Even beetles, some of the oldest pollinators on Earth, play a part, especially in native bushlands where ancient flowering species evolved alongside them. Many native Australian bees are small and solitary, or live in tiny social colonies. This makes them excellent pollinators for small flowered species, and very efficient in dense native plantings. And butterflies, they're like the artists of the garden. Less efficient in pollinating, but spreading joy wherever they drift.
So, before you swat or spray, remember that this fellowship is working tirelessly, rain and shine, to turn sunlight into abundance for all who dwell in the garden.
In the tapestry of life, they weave a bright thread. With every little buzz, love gets spread. So raise your voice high, let the rhythm reside in the dance of the bees.
In permaculture design, pollinators are part of our living infrastructure, just as important as swales, mulch or compost. They connect the elements, trees, flowers, fruits, vegetables, into one cooperative web. When you plant with pollinators in mind, you're stacking functions, one of the core principles of permaculture. Those bright flowers aren't just pretty, they're feeding your insects, balancing your ecosystem, and ensuring your next harvest.
Without pollinators, there's no tomatoes, no zucchinis, and no pumpkins. Plus, no honey for our tea.
The dance will continue, it's never too long, oh together.
So, instead of seeing bees as separate, think of them as partners in your design. If we look after them, they look after us.
Keep the earth alive, so join in the chorus, let's all come alive. Buzz, 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 come on, join the flow. Dancing with the bees in a magical show. Feel the beat of the hive, let your spirit revive. In the heart of the garden, we're alive. Oh, we thrive.
When creating your Shire Garden, think of it like planning a feast, something in bloom every season.
In spring, go for nectar-rich annuals like calendula, borage, and cosmos. In summer, herbs like basil, oregano, and rosemary are bee magnets. Autumn brings flowering natives, grevilleas, callistemons, and wattles. And winter's not lost. Try alyssums, lavender, and broccoli left to flower.
I like to call it the continuous bloom design. Gandalf might say, "A flower is never late, nor is it early. It blooms precisely when it means to."
Pollinators need more than flowers. They need shelter, safety, and water. In the Shire, that means mixing structure with function.
Even upturned logs and piles of twigs can become havens for pollinators. With permaculture, we build habitats as part of the design. Nature knows best, so let's just copy her.
And you never know, any old tree could be harbouring some natives.
Whether you keep a hive or just provide safe haven, your reward will be abundant harvest, vibrant colours, and a little liquid gold.
Every spoonful of honey, every buzzing flower is a reminder. We are part of the same system. The bee's success is our success.
So friend, if you wish to live like a hobbit, close to the land, in harmony with life, then start with the smallest helpers. Care for the bees and the pollinators, and your garden will sing. To the buzzing fellowship, may they never fade.